How to schedule an Uber Eats order for later. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can schedule an Uber Eats order for later. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Uber Eats. On your Uber Eats, let me just go to the home page. So come back to your home page, and on your home page, you can simply add stuff to your cart. So let's add something to our cart. I'll just tap on this, add this to my cart. So let's say that I want this beef steak and add it to the basket. And let me choose this, go through all of these, and then tap on add to basket. Again, I'll just add it to the basket, and it's been added to my basket. Now if I head back, go to my cart or basket, and after I'm here, what I can do is I can simply check out. So if I view my basket, then tap on next and go through with this, there you can see total payment method and other stuff. So after I tap on next, after I'm here, I will be able to choose a delivery date and time. So I can simply change the date and time to the time I desire, and after that I'm basically done. And that's how you can schedule an Uber Eats order for later. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.